Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create the educational video about the skills to be content strategist and how to do that. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, to create such a video, here I prefer to use this Pictory AI because it is very effective and efficient to create the educational video. And here I have done the login or the sign up first with my email, and don't forget to access it with your account or email too. And here I also prefer to access it via website in my PC to get more spacious view like this. And as you can see that this Pictory AI will also give you the chance to create the video from the text, URL, image, and even the PowerPoint file. And don't worry because this AI can be also do the video editing and also recording guys. And for the new user, don't worry because they will give you 14 days free trial. And here I have 3 days left on my free trial section. And here I will try to create the video from the URL. Click this. And since it is about the skills to be the content strategist, here I will use the website or the content from the technicalwriterhq.com. Thank you, Technical Writer HQ, and don't forget to visit this website, guys. And for this link section, I will copy it in my keyboard, give it a Control and C combination, and go back to this URL section and paste it. And after that, you can start to choose the platform like the YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Snapchat until the link end video. For example, I would like to share or post this video into my Facebook feed, for example. And here I choose to be 1 minute video. And if you would like to add more information like the location or market condition, you can put the section into this blank. But if you don't want it, don't worry because you can just skip it anyway and continue to generate the script. And kindly wait for this AI to transform this information into the script in this section, guys. So make sure that your connection is good so the generation process can run smoothly. And this will be the result of this script, guys. You can do the editing of it too, don't worry. And also you can rephrase, shorten, lengthen, even change the tone of every single script over here. And for the ratio here, you can choose it to become 16 and 9 or vice versa, or even 1 and 1 over here. And you can start to generate the video. And kindly wait for this AI to transform that script to become the every single scenes and also show you the picture that represent about this script itself. And if you have any request or recommendation or suggestion about the another AI that can do the same as this Pictory AI, please suggest us into the comment section because we would love to see your comments there and making the video in another AI version. And our video is almost ready, guys. And don't worry because the next step is almost done. And make sure that your connection is good. And after waiting for a little while, maybe 1 minute until 2 minutes, so this will be the video that we will show or present into our Facebook or another platform. As you can see that those or the previous script has been transformed into the 28 scenes, and every single picture also contains these scenes, guys. And if you would like to edit it, don't worry, you can direct your cursor and give it a double click and do the editing. And you can also add the visual audio if you want this every single script to be narrated by this narrator or actor. And you can also add the text like heading, subheading, and body text, and elements and style. And if you're ready to present or post this video, you can continue to download with or without the watermark. So that's all guys, I hope this video found you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.